Yo, I have some good news to pass on. I have come across something that I think is a real life changer. It's a book by Anthony William. He's the medical medium. Let me just put it this way. Getting muscles, you can do that. No problem. It's just work, diligence, perseverance. But if you don't take care of the engine, this little part in here that you never pay attention to, you go, oh, it's in the dark, I don't look at it. Well, it's not in the dark. This is what runs the system. It keeps it all going. I'm not getting anything out of this. I just want to pass on something I wish I had come across when I was younger. I mean, yeah, I'm still strong. I feel fit. I feel aggressive. But you could feel better. And as you get older, you get better. Keep punching.